Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your SHARP Aquos Sense2, at the first we have to go for the settings, then we have to scroll down, move to the system, click on languages and input, select virtual keyboard, tap on the keyboard, and next move for the theme. Right now we have to move right here, and from the gallery we are able to take our favorite picture. Right now we can scale, click next, set up transparency of this picture, click done, and we can turn on or turn off key borders, click apply, and right now, as you can see, our keyboard theme has changed, and that's how we can customize it with your favorite picture or photo on the Sharp smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.